In this session, we are going to discuss about chemical properties of metals. What do you mean by reaction? Reaction is a process of change, right? It is a process of change. Iron material is exposing to air for a long time. The color of the iron material is going to change because of the reaction. It is an iron material. The color of the iron material has been changed because of the chemical reaction. Now there is brown color coating over the iron material because of this chemical reaction. Now we can discuss about the reaction. When iron is reacting with water and oxygen, it forms a brown colored coating on the surface of iron. This is known as rusting. This process is known as rusting. The coating is known as rust. We can discuss the chemical reaction. Fe is iron, O2 is oxygen, H2O is water. If we are writing the reaction in words, it will be iron plus oxygen plus water gives rust. Now we are going to find the nature of rust. How we can find the nature of a solution? We can use litmus paper, right? There are two types of litmus paper, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. These litmus paper are used to identify the given substance. Is it acidic or basic? We can identify the nature of the given substance using litmus paper. Here there is a litmus paper, it is blue litmus paper, right? It is a blue litmus paper and we are taking the solution of rust. We are adding rust into water and we are going to dip this blue litmus paper into that solution. If we are dipping blue litmus in acid, it is going to change the color into red. If we are dipping blue litmus into base, there won't be any color change. You need to understand one thing. The color of litmus paper in acid will be red. The color of litmus paper in base will be blue. There is no change in that. Here there is a blue litmus paper. We are going to dip that blue litmus paper into that solution. No color change. Right? There is no color change. Now we are going to check with red litmus paper. There is no color change in blue litmus paper, so we are checking with red litmus paper. We are doing the same. We are taking red litmus paper and we are dipping the red litmus paper into the solution. What is going to happen? The color has been changed, right? Now the color of red litmus paper changed to blue. So we can say that the solution is basic. The nature of rust is basic. We can write the conclusions now. When we are dipping blue litmus paper into the solution of rust in water, there is no color change. When we dipped red litmus paper into solution of rust in water, red litmus turned to blue. So we can say that solution is basic. When iron is reacting with oxygen and water, we are getting iron oxide. This is a metallic oxide. Burning of magnesium. When we are burning magnesium, it will burn with bright light. It is a magnesium ribbon and the color of this flame is very bright. It's white in color. It is too bright. Reaction of magnesium with oxygen is known as burning of magnesium. All the material, if it is reacting with oxygen, we can call it as burning. Burning is a process of reaction of a material with oxygen. Burning of magnesium produces magnesium oxide. Here, when we are burning this magnesium ribbon, we are getting magnesium oxide. We are going to take that magnesium oxide. When we are burning, magnesium is combining with oxygen and it is giving magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. The symbol of magnesium is Mg, symbol of oxygen is O2 and symbol of magnesium oxide is MgO. It's a burning of magnesium. When we are burning it, it will change into ash. Here we will get ash. It is magnesium oxide. And this magnesium oxide we are going to add into water. This ash is magnesium oxide and we are adding this magnesium oxide into water and we are doing the same experiment. We are going to check the nature of this solution. We are taking blue litmus paper and we are dipping that blue litmus paper into solution. What is going to happen? There is no color change. Now we are taking red litmus paper. We are going to dip that litmus paper into solution. What is going to happen? The color has been changed. Red litmus changed to blue in color. The solution is basic. We can conclude that when we are dipping blue litmus into the solution of magnesium oxide in water, there is no color change. When we dipped red litmus into solution of magnesium oxide in water, red litmus turned to blue. So we can conclude that solution is basic. Both metallic oxide, magnesium oxide or iron oxide, both were basic, right? So we can conclude that metallic oxides are basic in nature.